Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. The name of my channel is Igbo Academy and my name is Choma. The channel is all about Igbo language. Learning, speaking, reading, everything about Igbo language is what you get here on my channel. So today we're going to talk about the calendar. The calendar in Igbo language. If you're in an Igbo home, the calendar is not, if you're talking to your grandmother or your daddy's sisters that are in the village, you not just come and tell them, I don't know. You just come and, you not just tell them that today is this, today is that. They'll be counting, okay, eke, ori, afo, unko, tata, obosi, unko, tata, obosi, eke. And you'll be like lost. What today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You tell them today is Monday, they'll be like, tata on Monday, they'll be like, can't tell Monday. You have to tell them, you have to learn how they call it in Igbo, and learn how they call it in English. So calendar. Number 1, genti n'ihe onye nkuzi ga na-agụ, gụọ ihe ọ gụrụ. We have enwere ụzọ abụọ eji agụ ụbọchị. Ụzọ nke ndị Igbo na nke ndị ọcha. So when you're talking about the days of the week or the months of the year or counting days, there are two ways in Igbo land. There are two ways. There is a way of the Igbo people and there is a way of the Oyibo people, the white people. Before the white people came into Nigeria, came into the Igbo land, the Igbos are already counting days. They already had their eke, they already had their market days. They already had days for resting and things like that before the white people came. And it is still in use now. They didn't throw that one away and start using the one that the white people brought. No. They still use it till today. So, ụzọ nke ndị Igbo enwere ụbọchị anọ n'izu. In the Igbo counting of days, we have 4 days in a week. 4 days, ụbọchị anọ n'izu. 4 days in a week. We have Oye, Afọ, Nkwo, and Eke. Oye, Afọ, Nkwo, and Eke. So, n'ụzọ nke ndị ọcha enwere ụbọchị asaa n'izu ụka. From the white man's own counting of days, we all know that we have 7 days in a week, and they are Sunday. I'm writing it now in Igbo language, how it is written in Igbo language. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The pronunciation is still the same thing, but the writing, the spellings are different. N'ụzọ nke ndị Igbo, enwere izu asaa n'ọnwa. They have 7 weeks. According to the Igbo counting of days, there are 7 weeks in a month. 7 weeks in a month. While in English, there are 4 weeks in 1 month. So we've seen the difference. They have 4 days in the week. The Igbos have 4 days in the week. The English one has 7 days in the week. The Igbo calendar has 7 weeks in a month. The Igbo calendar the English calendar has 4 weeks in a month, while the Igbo calendar has 7 weeks in a month. So, enwere ọnwa 12 n'otu afọ. In a year, in the English calendar, we have 12 months in a year. And they are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. The pronunciation, just like the days of the week, is also the same with that of the English, but the spellings are different. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So from all what we've read now, I want to ask a question. What is Izuka? Izuka. Izuka means week. Izuka means week. What is Onwa? Onwa. Onwi tenaniye or onwi tolu 9 months. Onwa means months. Onwa means months. Izuka means week. Onwa means month. What is Ocha? Ocha, Ndi Ocha means the white man. What's the Igbo people we are calling the Oyibo people? Is Ndi Ocha or Beke. In Igbo, like if you're called Beke, it means that you're fair. Beke or Onyocha. Then Orie. Orie. What is Orie? Orie is one of the market days. Then Afo. The new words we've learned, Afo. Afo is an Igbo market day. Afo is a name for an Igbo market day. Then what is Onko? Sorry. Afo is a name for a day in the week of the Igbo market, of the Igbo days. Onko is the same thing. Eke is the same thing. Then kalenda. Calendar is calendar in English language. It's just the same thing. So that is it about the calendar in Igbo language. We've seen all of them. We've seen how the thing spells. There's only a little difference. But the names are almost the same with that of the English, apart from the native days in the Igbo language. Almost everything is the same. So that is it. Enwere ụbọchị 365 n'otu afọ. There are 365 days in a month, in a year, sorry. So it's just a general knowledge. Everything is just the same, just that the spelling is not the same as that of the English language. So that is all we have to say about the calendar in Igbo language. Thank you very much and do have a nice day. Kemesia. God